Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the big twist in the game. New S25 and S25 Ultra, new affordable clones of Samsung's Galaxy S25 series entered the smartphone market, before the launch of the official Galaxy S25 lineup. iTel launches S25 Ultra clones before Samsung even drops the real thing. This is tough, slim, and durable. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. According to the latest news, iTel just launched Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra clones, before Samsung drops the real thing. The next generation Galaxy flagships will be announced early next year. Meanwhile, iTel tried to gain some attention on the name of Samsung's flagships. The Galaxy S25 series will be equipped with top-notch hardware capabilities. Advanced Galaxy AI features will help them stand tall against rivals. Copying the name is easy, but there's no comparison between iTel and Samsung's S25 Ultra. Last year, iTel launched the S24 series in certain markets. Now, the company come up with the S25 and S25 Ultra, which even cost less than Samsung's affordable phones. iTel copied the possible camera arrangement and brought a curved screen. iTel S25 and S25 Ultra come with flat AMOLED and curved AMOLED screens respectively. The phones get a 50-megapixel main camera, 32-megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery, as well as IP54 splash resistance. The iTel S25 and S25 Ultra models are available for purchase in the Philippines. The S25 starts at PHP 5799, 110, while the S25 Ultra starts at PHP 1092099, 210, for 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB, 256 GB storage configuration. People may find the iTel S25 and S25 Ultra good deals in the budget segment. The company managed to steal the design aesthetics very well this time. However, it will still feel far from the real thing that Samsung may bring in 2025. When will the real Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra be released? Samsung could launch the Galaxy S25 Ultra in January 2025. The flagship will be equipped with a high-profile display, Qualcomm's most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, an upgraded ultra-wide camera, new Galaxy AI features and capabilities, and a refined rounded corners flat screen design. The Note-like boxy appearance will be ditched in the S25 Ultra. Rather, Samsung is reportedly opting for a Note 20-like design approach, with minimal rounds on corners. The camera rings may also be inspired by the Z Fold 6. The smartphone will have the same battery and charging speeds. And of course, the prices will also be increased due to upgraded hardware components. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.